You're watching a video about learning faster instead of actually studying. You're sitting there staring at the screen, and in 5 minutes, you'll say, "Ugh, I should have just studied properly." Here's a question. Why is it that if someone wakes you up at 3 a.m., you can perfectly sing a song from 2012, but you can't remember 5 simple formulas for an exam? The answer? You're learning the wrong way. But if you hack your brain correctly, you can remember things 10 times faster, without spending years of your life trying to force information into your head. Today you'll learn how your brain actually memorizes information. Spoiler, not how you think. The fastest and easiest ways to learn. 5 hacks from scientists, geniuses, and students who became top performers. Why a goldfish has better memory than us. And the most important tip is at the very end, the one that literally reprogrammed my brain. Ready? Let's go. Why you forget everything you learn. Mistake number 1. You learn passively. Reading a book equals 10% retention. Listening to a lecture equals 20% retention. Explaining to a friend equals 80% retention. Fact, if you teach what you learn, you will remember it 4x faster. How to use this? Explain a difficult topic to your cat. If your cat walks away, explain it to your shoe. Mistake number 2. You try to learn everything. The human brain only remembers what's useful. Everything else gets deleted, like bad photos on your phone. Fact, studies show that we forget 80% of what we learn within 24 hours. How to use this? Spaced repetition is the key. After 10 minutes, after 24 hours, after 1 week, final review after 30 days is suppose you'll remember it forever. Mistake number 3, you get distracted every 5 minutes. You open a textbook, Telegram notification. You go back. Wait, what's on TikTok? 5 hours later, you learned nothing but saw a cat doing a backflip. Fact, it takes 20 minutes for your brain to refocus after a distraction. How to fix this? The 10-second rule. If you feel the urge to check your phone, wait 10 seconds. The urge will pass 90% of the time. Use the Pomodoro technique. 25 minutes focus, 5 minutes break. Repeat 4 times, equals you'll be a study machine. Top 5 fastest ways to learn. The Feynman technique. Learn like you're 5. If you can't explain something simply, you don't understand it. Example. Quantum physics studies wave functions and probabilities. Quantum physics is when electrons act like crazy cats in a box. How to use this? Find a complicated topic. Try to explain it to a 5-year-old or a friend who doesn't get it. Active recall it. Remember, not reread. Reading 10 times is stupid. Close the book and remember what you just learned. How to use it. I read a paragraph and retold it to myself. I asked myself 3 questions on the topic. I checked where I made a mistake. Fact, this technique improves memory by 150%. Mnemonics. How to memorize 100 words in 1 minute. Why do we remember memes but not historical dates? Because the stupider the image, the better it is remembered. Example. You need to remember the word butterfly. Imagine a sandwich with wings. How to use it. Turn information into pictures. The Cornell method. Perfect notes. Harvard students don't just take notes, they take notes using the system. How it works. The left column contains keywords. The right column is an explanation of the topic. Bottom of the page, conclusions. How to use it. Write not as a wall of text, but in a structured way. Training in extreme conditions. When you're stressed, your brain remembers twice as well. Example. Learn a language? Turn on complex dialogues. Are you preparing for the exam? Learn with a timer. How to use it. Create pressure situations to make your brain work at its maximum. The final bomb is the secret that will blow your brain. Are you ready? Memorization is not a process, it's a game. If studying seems like a torment to you, you're trying or doing it wrong. People who learn fast do it with a high. How can I fix this? Find a challenge in your studies. Set goals for yourself, just like in a game. Make small wins. Reward yourself for achievements. Use different techniques. Don't focus on one method, and most importantly, get started. Write in the comments, which method will you try first? And subscribe if you want to become smarter faster than everyone around you.